Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting video. I just checked the mail and I finally got my Boxycharm, and this is my first one I've ever gotten. I just subscribed to the service this month, so I'm excited to see what is inside. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box and you pay $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and those can be really ranging from any price tag, so you can get like really high-end stuff in these boxes. One of my favorite things to do is watch Boxycharm unboxings every month because I love to see what products people get, and it's taken me so long to finally sign up for it. I saw that they didn't have a wait list for April, so I finally just decided to go ahead and sign up. So I'm pretty sure that right now there's no wait list anymore, so if you wanted to get the box for this month, you can sign up today and then you'll get it by the end of the month. Every month I watch these videos, I'm like, dang, I should have signed up and I could have got this month, because every month it's so great. Usually the products inside the box are going to be at least $100 in value or more. So I'm super excited to see what I got in this month's box. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm, then just keep watching. So anyways, this is what the box looks like, and let's just open it up. Ooh. So fancy. Alright, I'm just going to take the little card here and see what it says. This month's theme is eye candy. So first I see here is this Des New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. Is it liquid? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Why is everything always have freaking tape on it? How am I supposed to get this off with these freaking nails? Okay, there we go. Please be a good color. Please be a good color. Ooh, I love that. Okay, so that is the color. Ooh, that is really pretty. Yes, I'm smelling it. Sometimes they smell really good. That doesn't seem like a liquid lipstick to me. It feels very tacky, like glossy, but it's a really pretty color. I like that so far. It's really pretty. I've never heard of this brand before. It's called Adesi? Sure. But this is a full-size liquid lipstick and it retails for $24. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, next I have the Tarteist Pro Glow in Sparkler, and this is a liquid highlighter. So this is what it looks like. I don't usually do liquid highlights just because it's too much work. Honestly, that's about it. But I definitely would give this a try. That might be a little too dark for me, but that's exciting. So this is the, like I said, this is the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter, and it is $29. Cool beans. Alright, next up we have the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks. I've never heard of this brand. And it's in the annoying plastic shrink wrap. So this is a full-size product as well, and it is $22. So that's what it looks like. It looks like there's fibers in it. Yes, there's definitely fibers. I don't know, it'll probably work, hopefully. I mean, it's kind of hard to mess up a brow gel. I just feel like, you know, they all do the same for me, but that's awesome. Okay, so next I have the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. So this is a pore purifying mask, and this retails for 47 doll hairs. Yikes. I'm excited to use this. Ew. It smells weird. It smells weird. It does smell weird. But it's a mask, so I'm super excited to try that. I will probably be using this tonight. Yep. Definitely gonna use this. So that's awesome. Dr. Brandt is a really good brand, and I haven't been able to try anything from them before because they're super expensive. So I'm super excited this is in the box because this is $47. And lastly, the thing that I was most excited for this box, because I saw the spoiler and that's the reason I signed up, was because I wanted one of these. This is the ColourPop You Had Me at Hello palette. And this is full size and it retails for $18. And anyways, this is just a super cute, like, neutral palette. I love neutrals and I feel like you can never have enough. I'm super excited they included this in the box. And I've used ColourPop eyeshadows before and they're really great, so I definitely think this is a good thing to be in here. So this is $18, like I said. So the total value of this month's box is $140. That is amazing. I mean, you pay $21 and then you get $140 worth of stuff. Granted, you don't get to pick what you get, but I think that's awesome. It's just a great way to build your makeup collection. You know, you spend $21 and you get 4 to 5 full-size products that are mostly high-end, and I think that's amazing. So I am super excited about all of this, and I'm really excited to use this palette and to put this mask on in about 5 seconds because this has got to come off. I'm so ready to get out of this makeup. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I will be turning this into a monthly series on my channel because I will be getting this box every month because I think it's such a great deal. But let me know if you are subscribed to Boxycharm and what you got in this month's box because I know that they do kind of vary. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely think that Boxycharm is so worth it. If you are looking into getting a subscription service, I definitely recommend this one, definitely over Ipsy. I used to have my Ipsy bag. I probably had Ipsy for like 2 years, and I finally canceled it because I was just tired of what I was getting. I would get like one product maybe a month that I would like, other than the bags. The bags were my favorite part, were just getting all the little makeup bags. But I feel like since those were just sample sizes, you know, you're paying $10 a month already, and they were just sample sizes. So I just felt like it wasn't worth my money anymore. So I definitely didn't mind spending the extra $11 a month and going to Boxycharm because you get such great products that are actually worth your money because the whole box ends up being more than $100 in value anyways. I just felt like it was a better way to spend my money and a better way to grow my collection because these are some great products in here and I'm super excited to use them. I already know I'm going to love the palette just because I've used ColourPop before and I know that they're good shadows. I'm super excited about the others as well. So anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and always remember to stay trendy. My first Boxycharm One focus, you son of a bitch. We'll just use the take before. This one sucks. I don't want to do it again. I feel like I can never have enough. I love neutrals. Done. I hope you enjoyed this video. So why do you eat so loud, Mumford? Well, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and always remember to stay trendy. That was like way too much. Why?